Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for joining my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kevin. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing video of this Dyson Airwrap gift edition. The color of this Airwrap is copper. Here we go. Let's begin with the smaller box. This is the carrying case. Has the logo in the corner. The type of material is velvet. There's another compartment at the bottom where you put the heads in. It's a nice leather case, copper color. It's a non-slip mat. Here we have is a pre-styling dryer. Nice copper look to it. Next here is the 30mm Airwrap barrel. Comes with two of them, or 1.2 inches. Next here is the 40mm or 1.6 inches Airwrap barrel. This one is a soft smoothing brush. Next is the firm smoothing brush. Now this is the round volume brush. Soft plastic bristle. All of these heads are made of plastic. Saving the best for last. Now the air rake. This is made of metal. You can rotate the whole thing without getting the device tangled with the cord. And this is the power adapter attached to the cord. And what's left is the warranty card and manual. And lastly, the cleaning brush. I'll show you guys a quick demo of the Airwrap with the dryer head. So this Airwrap has 3 temperature settings: high, medium, and no heat. 3 span speeds: high, medium, and low. Here's your on and off button. And here's your lock and unlock button for their heads. So to put this head, you just simply put this on. just like that. And then I have it on low setting. Medium, high. Now I'm going to do a blow test. It doesn't take much effort on low setting to blow these heads towards that side. That's the end of this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Peace out. Until next time.